My work starts when the rare plants are in full flower. 705, 424.
The days of the Garry Oak ecosystems were almost numbered, but conservationists and specialized equipment are making sure even the smallest plants at the Somenos Reserve count.
This is Viola praemorsa, Yellow Montane Violet. I have been flagging out the perimeter of populations of violet. You saw the yellow flags, and then the pink flags were flagging out the perimeter of concentrations where there are very dense concentrations of the viola. 701, 449. Well, this is the receiver for the GPS unit that I've been using, and it's normally meant to stick onto the top of a car because it's magnetic. So tin can lid, duct tape on top of a hat, human antenna. Well, I'm part of the team that's monitoring the rare plants. There are 8 species of rare plants here. Some of them rare in Canada and some of them rare in British Columbia. And they are all associated with Garry Oak ecosystems. This is the great camas. It has a bulb, as all lilies do, and the bulb was used by Cowichan tribes, and other First Nations also used it as one of the main sources of starch in their diet. See that dense brush there? That's all snowberry. That's a native plant, but in the absence of First Nations management over the last 150, 200 years, that has invaded into these meadows. An important part of restoration work is monitoring the effect of the restoration, and we're hoping for positive effects for the rare plants. This is the broadleaf shooting star. It's not the flower that's rare, it's actually the habitat that's become rare. It is significant because it's one of 3 protected areas that's in a relatively natural state in the Cowichan Valley, and it's probably, say, one of maybe a dozen protected Garry Oak ecosystems in Canada that are in a relatively natural state, that are being actively restored.
We can tell you how special this place is, but why not come and see for yourselves? From the Somenos Garry Oak Preserve in the Cowichan Valley, I'm Yvonne McNabb for The Daily, only on Shaw.